Homemade chicken and rice casserole recipe, classic United States dish. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a delicious treat for you, a classic United States dish that's perfect for a cozy family dinner or a potluck party. We're making homemade chicken and rice casserole. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. So, let's jump right into the ingredients. 2 cups cooked chicken, shredded. 2 cups cooked white rice. 1 cup frozen peas. 1 cup carrots, diced. 1 cup celery, chopped. Half cup onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can, 10.5 ounces, condensed cream of mushroom soup. 1 cup chicken broth. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 teaspoon dried parsley. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Preparation: before we start, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Now, let's get cooking. 1. Sauté vegetables in a large skillet. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the onions, garlic, celery, and carrots. Sauté until the vegetables are tender. 2. Combine ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Combine the shredded chicken, cooked rice, frozen peas, sautéed vegetables, condensed cream of mushroom soup, chicken broth, dried thyme, dried parsley, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until well combined. 3. Layer in casserole dish. Now, grease a casserole dish. Pour the mixture into the dish and spread it evenly. This is going to be so flavorful. 4. Top with cheese. Sprinkle the shredded cheddar cheese on top. This will give our casserole a beautiful golden crust as it bakes. 5. Bake in the oven. Pop it into the preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the edges are golden brown. 6. And there you have it, a mouth-watering homemade chicken and rice casserole. Perfectly cheesy, creamy, and comforting. Serve it hot, and watch it disappear in no time. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy cooking!